Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can search for effects on TikTok. To do that, hit the record button and then press on the effects tab, like on the effects sticker, I guess. And then here you can press the search button over here, and you can search for effects. For instance, you want to change your hair color, you can type in hair color and search. And here are the filters that can change your hair color. For instance, you want to change the color of like your eyes, you can also type that in and it'll like show effects that can, I guess, change your eye color. For instance, this one, I'm not gonna show it to you now, but you're just going to select it to sort of download it and use it. But yeah, that is basically it. You can also press the save button over here to save the effect. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!